in this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix lag here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to open up the menu just by hitting the three dots up in the top left, and then from here hit the three little lines, and this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select settings and then go into the graphic settings up at the very top. Now essentially what you're going to want to do is lower your graphics. So for like visual effects and flow effects, go ahead and set them on low rather than like medium or high. Hit low and then back out just by selecting it again. And you could also turn off any of these settings right here just to increase it a little bit more. That's going to instantly reduce some of your lag and make your game a lot smoother because you're going to get higher frames no matter what. From here, what you're going to want to do is just back out of these settings and of course go ahead and now select the little like Roblox icon. Hit settings up here, scroll down a little bit and you're looking for display and graphics. You could also reduce these settings by reducing your graphics quality just like so, which doesn't even change that much if you think about it. But continue scrolling down and what you're really looking for on here is going to be your frame limit. Essentially, you want to increase your max frames to whatever your device can support. For example, 120, 240, whatever it might be. If you're still lagging, try switching servers or using a private server for better connection. But that is the entire process of fixing lag here in Locked 2 on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.